Voyager 1 is a historic spacecraft launched by NASA in 1977. It was part of a mission that had a humble start but grew into something unbelievably monumental. Today, it is the farthest human-made object from Earth, having traveled more than 14.2 billion miles and counting. What makes this truly extraordinary is that Voyager 1 is still able to communicate with Earth, sending back signals even from such a mind-bending distance. These signals travel at the speed of light, taking over 21 hours to reach us. That means if we sent a message to Voyager, we'd have to wait almost a full day to get a reply. It gives us a real sense of how vast and empty the universe truly is. Even though its transmitter is incredibly weak, NASA's Deep Space Network still hears it, a whisper from the edge of the cosmos. Voyager 1 entered interstellar space in 2012, marking one of humanity's most incredible achievements. It crossed the heliosphere, the bubble of charged particles blown by the sun, and entered the realm between stars. Scientists celebrated this as a milestone in space exploration, a moment that proved our technology could reach beyond our solar system. What's astonishing is that Voyager 1 was built with 1970s technology. Its computer memory is just 69 kilobytes, far less than a single image on your phone. And yet, it's still working reliably, gathering data and sending it across the cold, black silence of space. Modern smartphones have millions of times more power, but none have journeyed so far. Originally, Voyager 1 was designed to study Jupiter and Saturn. It wasn't expected to survive beyond that. But it exceeded all expectations, revealing stunning details about their moons, rings, and magnetic fields. One of its most groundbreaking discoveries was the active volcanoes on Io, Jupiter's moon. This was the first time scientists saw geological activity beyond Earth. Voyager 1 also carries a golden record, a kind of interstellar time capsule. This record holds music, greetings in 55 languages, and natural sounds like thunder, waves, birdsong, and laughter. There's even a recording of brainwaves from a person in love. It was created under the direction of Carl Sagan, who believed any potential alien life should know what it means to be human. This golden record was designed to last for 1 billion years, a hopeful message drifting through space. It's a symbol of peace, created not just for aliens, but for us, to remind us of our unity and diversity. Carl Sagan famously said, "The spacecraft will be encountered and the record played only if there are advanced spacefaring civilizations in interstellar space." Voyager's path through space was made possible by a rare planetary alignment that occurs only once every 176 years. NASA used a technique called gravity assist, using a planet's gravity to slingshot a spacecraft to greater speed. This ingenious method helped Voyager reach Neptune in just 12 years, a journey that could have otherwise taken 30 years or more. The planning of the Voyager mission was revolutionary. It demonstrated how clever engineering and perfect timing could overcome limitations. Voyager revealed not only volcanoes on Io but also geysers on Neptune's moon Triton that sprayed nitrogen gas, an unexpected and thrilling discovery that reshaped how we see distant moons. Scientists like Dr. Ed Stone, Voyager's former project scientist, stated, "Voyager opened up the solar system to us in ways we never imagined." His team originally thought Voyager might last a few years, but it's been almost 50 years, and it's still delivering new insights. Voyager 2, its twin, is also still operational and is the only probe to have visited Uranus and Neptune. Thanks to Voyager 2, we now understand more about tilted magnetic fields, icy rings, and the composition of planets. This data has shaped our models of how planets form and evolve. It has helped us understand cosmic weather, magnetic turbulence, and solar radiation, providing information that could help future missions venture beyond the solar system. In 2020, Voyager 1 surprised scientists again when it detected a faint, continuous hum from interstellar space. The plasma wave instrument picked up this soft, eerie sound, which scientists compared to raindrops falling on a rooftop. It comes from charged particles drifting between stars, and it helps scientists map the interstellar medium. Researchers from Cornell University were stunned by the data. One said, "It's like hearing the universe breathe." The region was more active and dense than previously thought. This constant hum is crucial in understanding the space between stars, which has long been a mystery in astronomy. Voyager 1 is powered by a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, RTG. It converts heat from decaying plutonium into electricity. This power source is slowly weakening and is expected to run out around 2025. When that happens, Voyager 1 will fall silent, its instruments going dark one by one. Even after it stops transmitting, Voyager 1 will continue its journey, silently drifting through space. It's heading toward the Oort cloud, a distant shell of icy bodies surrounding our solar system. It will take around 300 years to enter it, and about 30,000 years to pass through completely. These numbers help us grasp the enormous scale of our solar system. The cost of the Voyager mission was about $865 million in 1977, equivalent to around $4 billion today. That may sound expensive, but considering the decades of data, groundbreaking discoveries, and educational inspiration it has provided, many scientists believe it's been one of the most valuable missions ever. NASA engineers also achieved engineering marvels with Voyager. The tape recorders used to store data still function. The backup thrusters, unused for decades, were successfully fired up in 2017 to adjust Voyager's antenna. That's how durable and well-designed this spacecraft is. To keep receiving data, NASA had to build special software to filter out background noise. As the signal grows weaker, it's like listening for a whisper during a thunderstorm. But with the Deep Space Network and its massive radio antennas, NASA still catches Voyager's fading voice. The story of Voyager 1 is not just a scientific saga, it's a deeply human story. It reflects our urge to explore, our passion to learn, and our never-ending curiosity. It's a testament to our ability to dream big and turn those dreams into real, working spacecraft. Scientists like Dr. Stamatis Trimikis, part of the original Voyager team, said, "We keep being amazed. This tiny spacecraft continues to surprise us." Voyager has even detected particles from ancient supernovae, exploded stars that shed light on how galaxies evolve and how planets and life itself form. Voyager 1 may never reach another star, but it carries our legacy through the galaxy. It symbolizes our hope and ingenuity, floating through space with a golden message that says, "We were here. We reached for the stars." Its golden record is like a bottle in a cosmic ocean, carrying our music, greetings, and feelings into the unknown. Dr. Linda Spilker, a NASA planetary scientist, once noted, "Voyager reminds us that great things come from small beginnings. Every time it sends a signal, it's a tiny handshake across space, a reminder that Earth is listening, learning, and dreaming." The Voyager missions are taught in classrooms worldwide to inspire future scientists and engineers. Teachers use them to explain space travel, physics, and the power of perseverance. For many young minds, Voyager is the first step toward their dream of working in space science. Voyager's data is still helping scientists study cosmic rays, space weather, and magnetic fields. Some researchers believe that this data could help us one day travel to Proxima Centauri, our nearest star neighbor. Voyager is like a trailblazer, opening the path for future generations of explorers. If humanity becomes a spacefaring civilization, people will look back at Voyager as the first step into the unknown. It didn't carry people, but it carried our voice, our music, and our desire to connect with something greater. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that Voyager 1 is still out there, drifting silently, sending its last bits of knowledge to us. It's a symbol of what we can do when we believe in science, creativity, and exploration. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.